In this video we'll go over how you can perform some basic image editing and apply some image effects in PowerPoint 2010. First of all, let's insert an image. From the Insert tab, Images section, click on Picture. Let's insert our image. Now, first of all, you can perform some corrections, like sharpen and soften the image, change the brightness and contrast, that's very bright, that's a bit dark, or even delve into more advanced picture correction options by clicking on the picture corrections and changing these settings right here. Let's close that. You can change the color of your image by changing color saturation, color tone, or even recolor your image. You have more variations, and once again there are even more advanced options at your disposal by clicking on pixel color here. Now let's go and remove our image's background. From the Format tab, click on Remove Background, and as you can see, PowerPoint has already done a pretty good job of discerning our background from our foreground. We're going to keep our square and remove the hand and the rest of the background. But there's still some work to do here. Click on the red button, Mark Areas to Remove, and by pressing the left key of your mouse, holding it pressed down, and drawing a straight line, we're telling PowerPoint which areas we would like it to remove. Let's do this for the rest of the areas as well. As you can see, we're almost done here, but unfortunately PowerPoint has marked as an area to remove part of our squirrel's tail. Since we don't want to do that, let's click on Mark Areas to Keep, the green button with the cross, and let's tell Word that we would like to keep our squirrel's tail intact. And we're almost done. Click on the check mark Keep Changes, and now we have our squirrel and the rest of the background was removed. Now we can once again apply various corrections on our image. Let's change the brightness and contrast a little bit, and let's turn it into a black and white image by changing the color. You can also apply various artistic effects. Glow, diffused, you can see its effect as you hover your mouse over the different effects. Now let's apply that. You can also use different frames for your image. As you can see, there's a rotated. You can tilt your image to the right or to the left, make it look like an image frame. As you can see here, the various formats, bevel, perspective, etc. And you can also change the picture border and also apply various 3D image effects like a shadow. Notice the shadows on our image as we hover our mouse over the different settings, over the different available shadows. And you can also apply reflection. Notice here the perspectives. it draws a shadow of our image, of our object. Notice here, we can choose our shadow on the right, on the left, respective diagonal, upper left perspective, etc. And once again, change your image's border. Picture effect, soft edges. You can soften the edges a little bit. Notice how our image changes as we soften our edges even more. Let's soften them a little bit. And we can even, once we're done, we can even save our image by right-clicking, selecting Save as Picture, and we can save our image as a PNG, image, a JPEG, bitmap, etc. Let's save our image. Of course, PowerPoint is not an image editing software, but you can perform certain corrections, adjustments, and apply some basic 3D effects, etc., and use them in your PowerPoint presentations. You can use this as your background in each of your slides, or in your slides footer, in any way that you like. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.